The government of Ireland has issued almost 7,000 work permits to foreign workers in 2024, according to their government data. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step guide of how to relocate to Ireland, how to easily find a job, and how you can apply for these jobs. The link to the website is in the description box. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
So once you click on the link, it will take you down to this website you're seeing on the page, on the screen rather. So here we have 464 results like visa sponsorship in Ireland. So here we have cleaner, we have housekeeping assistant, we have food and beverage server full time, we have housekeeping assistant. So here 17 people already applied. Some two people already applied to this cleaner job, and here we have 24 applicants. So this one was posted 20 minutes ago. So all you have to do is to scroll down the list to check out the jobs that perfectly fit in for you. So once you see a job that fits in for you, all you have to do is to click on the job. Just click on it like this cleaner now. So once you click on it, you're going to see the information, the full information about this cleaner. You're going to see it on the right hand side here. So you can see about the job, about the company, the purpose of the role, the job description, and requirements, and qualification. So you have to read through all of this. Make sure you read. So once you are done reading and you are okay with everything, with the description, with the information about the job, so all you have to do is to just click this apply button. So once you click apply button, then it will take you to where you're going to start the application process, where you put your CV, your cover letter, and other supporting documents. Like I said earlier, 17 people already applied for this job. So for you to make your own outstanding, if you have any other supporting documents that you know that yeah, it can help you elevate your own application. So all you have to do is to attach it, and then you submit it. So you can a good thing about this website is that you can apply to one or two jobs here. So once you are done with the cleaner, you can also scroll down to see any other one you can apply for. So you just click on it and follow the same steps, then you apply for the job. It's as simple as that. It's a very, very straightforward process. So once you are done, you just submit your application to the company's website, and you wait for their feedback.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.